got a piece of metal in here.
Yeah.
And I got it set for the dimensions that I need. So this comes down, locks it in place, that bends it, brings it up. And that's
Beautiful.
it. That's the bend it makes.
Yeah, and the
So
computer.
I come over here, and I put it on stop. I go to my next bend, put it in start. The back gauge automatically adjusts. Put this back in. Take the second bend, and then we'll push it out for the next bend. If I reset it. Down to one. There it goes. So we pushed it back out.
Yeah.
There's the next stop. And there's the finished piece.
Oh yeah, beautiful. Nice little U-channel looking thing.
Yep.
All right, machine works good, sounds good. We'll walk around. It's got a nice big table on the back.
It'll handle up to 18 gauge. We use 18. Depends on the length. You can do 16, but it's got to be shorter. But I can do a 10-foot, 18 gauge for the machine the way it is.
Beautiful. All right.
So the fingers are up in here for the stop, and they'll come back and adjust based on what you enter in for the data. See how they adjust?
Yeah.
So whatever dimension you want, you just set it, and those fingers will come back and stop at whatever dimension you want. It goes all the way back to 10 foot. 10 foot. Most fellas, when they get good with the machine, is actually operated from back here.
Oh yeah.
So what they'll do is they'll take a piece,
Right.
cut on, when we cut on the flat, they'll put that in, run it back to the stop, and then they'll have the pedal here.
Right.
And it will automatically make the bend, take it back, spin it around, put the next one in, hit the pedal,
Right.
spin it around, do all four sides.
Right, which that makes sense. All right, great.